I've got something different today. I know, every video, some kind of protein. Today, veggies, specifically potatoes. We're going to make potato salad. Now this is a perfect barbecue side, especially when it's hot out. And by the way, my potato salad is going to be a little different than most people are familiar with. No mayonnaise. Let's get this cook going. I've got some baby potatoes here, yellow and red. Just rinsed them off. We'll put them out here on this cutting board. Maybe. You can see there against my fingers, they're not really big. Now all I'm going to do is cut each one in half. Put them in this foil pan over here. If some of them are too big for you, you can always cut them again. This one's a little big, so I'll just cut it into 3 pieces. I'm just drizzling a little olive oil, not much at all, not even a teaspoon probably. And then you want to hit these up with some salt, pepper, garlic. I'm going to use the Boar's Night Out. Hey, you can just use regular old kosher salt. You can use regular old fresh cracked black pepper. And then if you wanted, you could put some dried garlic in there. I bet that's, I don't know, maybe a tablespoon. And then after you toss them, you just want to put them on the smoker. I got it running at 275. Let's get the lid closed. So it's been about an hour, maybe an hour and 10 minutes. I didn't keep exact time. You can see I've got a nice color. They're starting to get soft. You can see they even fall off. That's about how I like them done. I don't want them any softer than that. So let's get them off here. Let them cool down a little bit before we finish them up in making this potato salad. Hey, these potatoes have been sitting here 20-30 minutes. They're cooled down enough to handle. Now, I'm just going to start out, you can see, just a drizzle, right? Not even, maybe a tablespoon tops. Okay. Now, what I've got here, 1 jalapeno, and I'm sorry that's going to be a little loud. 1/2 of a small red pepper. Got some green onions here, I think 3 of them if I remember. Let me use my fingers so for those of you using the headset, the clanging won't be too loud. Got some olives here, cut in half, and I've got about 2 tablespoons of parsley. Now we're going to come in with about, I'm not going to fill this all the way up, that's about 2 teaspoons of celery seed. Got some spicy brown mustard here. Well, I already got some in. We've got about 1.5 tablespoons. What I've got here, kosher salt. I'd say that's between 1/4 and 1/2 teaspoon. And then I've ground up some black pepper. And about 1/2 teaspoon there. Then we've got some red wine vinegar. And I'm going to put in about 1 tablespoon. It's better to go light, taste it, and add more if you need it, right? It's one of those things that once you put too much in it, it's too late. Now let me give this a stir. All right, I'm just going to taste the goodies, not the potatoes yet. I'm going to put 1/2 of another tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Let me get this all stirred up. Otherwise, we're excellent on this flavor. And then we'll plate it up and do a taste test. Now we've got it all plated up here. By the way, I said 3 green onions. It was actually 2. And the type of olives I used were Kalamata, 1/4 cup, sliced in half. We're going to come in here, get one of these smoky potatoes, get a little green, get a little red, and give it a taste test. Oh, this works. Let me tell you what I like about this. First of all, it's 98 degrees here today. I'm not big on mayonnaise to start with, and I'm not big on mayonnaise in the heat. The vinegar and that olive oil, right, gives it a little tang. You get the crunch from the red bell pepper. Definitely get a mild smoke from the taters. And then you get, I mean, the parsley is more or less for decoration, right? I, for one, can't taste parsley. And every now and then, you get a little bite of the jalapeno, so you get just a little nice kick. Now, if you don't want to go the jalapeno, you can not do that, and just put a few red pepper flakes in there. There you go, a perfect barbecue side. All your guests are going to love it. Hey, thanks so much for watching.